Readiness. It's a vital part of today's military mission. Aircraft availability, secure communications, and effective command and control equate to readiness for the Air Force. The Versatile Depot Automatic Test System, or VDATS, is essential to Air Force readiness. VDATS is an enterprise test solution employed by the Air Force and the Department of Defense. Here's how it works. A line technician removes a failed component which is sent to the depot for repair. VDATS provides diagnostic capability for the depot technician to isolate and repair the malfunction. VDATS then allows the depot technician to verify serviceability and return the repaired asset to Air Force Supply to keep the aircraft flying or the mission equipment operating. The benefit of VDATS is that it is completely reconfigurable and modular to multiple aircraft and weapons systems. Automatic Test Systems, ATS, are not new to the Air Force. In fact, program offices have been procuring them ever since their inception in the early 1950s. The focus on satisfying precise needs of specific weapon systems has resulted in a proliferation of specialized but redundant test capabilities. In 2003, the General Accounting Office identified inefficiencies with the proliferation of unique test systems.
We've got an opportunity here with VDATS to reap some efficiencies and support the OSD goals as far as cost control. VDATS is an incredibly versatile system. It can be adapted and it can be programmed to test a very wide variety of types of units, all the way from circuit cards to full LRUs to transmitters, etc., depending on the exact configuration of the VDATS unit and the add-ons that go with it. So what we've got the opportunity to do here is take a lot of these legacy testers, some of them that date back to the 1950s, and are becoming really, really difficult and really, really expensive to maintain, and replace them with a single unit, a VDATS unit, that can test across the board, not be unique to a specific application, but be able to be used one day on a B-52 workload and the next day on an F-15 workload.
VDATS is the Air Force's solution to improving test efficiency, reducing the logistic footprint, and reducing costs of the ATS infrastructure. VDATS provides a standard reconfigurable architecture that allows test program set, or TPS, standardization. The TPS is portable and eliminates production bottlenecks created by malfunctioning test sets. Standardization also reduces the need for multiple test systems supporting a single weapon system, ultimately reducing the total ATS footprint. The application programming interface mitigates the impact of obsolescence by ensuring TPSs do not make direct calls to the measurement instruments. This software architecture also allows VDATS to maintain a completely open commercial hardware design. VDATS is unique because it was designed by maintainers for maintainers, a wholly owned government design built within Defense Information Technology standards. VDATS has one primary configuration, the DA1. This is the core test station for VDATS and is designed to test high-speed digital and low-frequency analog electronics found in a variety of DoD weapon systems. The DA series replace a large number of legacy analog and digital testers. A variant of the DA1, the DA2, provides more digital test channels and analog switching. Common instruments included in the DA configuration include digital instrumentation, power supplies, electronic loads, analog instrumentation, and switching. The VDATS testers are designed with self-testing and diagnosis modules to ensure the systems are calibrated. The VDATS RF1 expansion unit is designed to test RF and microwave electronics in a variety of DoD weapon systems and provide a platform for rapid rehost of electronic warfare applications. Capability enhancements extending the utility of the VDATS can be added for unique testing requirements. This allows standardized equipment sets that meet additional workload requirements while limiting test system lifecycle costs. Another key aspect with VDATS is the creation of a dedicated systems integration lab, also known as the SIL, currently staffed by the United States Air Force civilian personnel and located on Robins Air Force Base in Georgia. The primary function of the SIL is to ensure that VDATS and other automated test stations remain viable standard test solutions. The SIL provides automatic test systems design enhancements, technology insertion upgrades, and the system hardware and software deficiency analysis. A secondary function is to coordinate with the ATS Program Office and the ATS Policy Office to design, implement, and integrate solutions for new TPS capability requirements that enhance the capabilities of current and future Air Force Standard ATS. The SIL also provides operator, maintainer, and TPS developer training for customers on-site or at customer locations. The Warner Robins Air Logistics Center Software Maintenance Group provides VDATS TPS development, maintenance, and support for multiple avionics and electronic warfare systems. With a large team of software professionals and a legacy of over 30 years of responsive and efficient customer support, they provide technical expertise in a wide variety of areas, including digital, analog, and radio frequency test programs. The Software Maintenance Group has become a leader in VDATS TPS development and maintenance, rehosting hundreds of TPS from aging, unsupportable legacy ATE to the VDATS platform. Future plans for VDATS include a man-portable version to support deployable field operations. In keeping with the goal of a DoD standard test solution, the Air Force is collaborating with the Navy to develop a common interface or personality module to allow test program set portability between VDATS and CAS. Already, VDATS is operational at Lackland, Robins, Hill, and Tinker Air Force bases. VDATS family of testers, providing standardization, improved test efficiency, reduced logistic footprint, and readiness for military missions.